What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. So in the previous video I broke the ventilation hose for the intake. Okay, so I got a new one. Okay, so today we're gonna install it. Okay, but let's open the box. Let's see if it's the right one for the car. Okay, let's open the box. Let's do it. Let's see. Okay, man, first problem. I broke the hose, this hose. When I was trying to put this all the way inside, I put it too hard and then I broke it from here. This one goes like this, inside of the engine. I mean, on the side of the engine, it goes like this, like that, and it has a screw. And I use this because the space is too small and I did it like this with this is a 30, it's a T30. And you can see that's the hole where the hose goes. So I already opened the box and here is the hose. Yes, so this is the part number, that one. Okay, if you need this hose, that's the part number that you need. So this time I'm gonna be more careful. Okay, so let's install it. I hope we don't break it again. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so the next step, let me remove the whole the intake, this bar, and remove the connection. That's it. So let me start with the removal first. Let's do it. So here is the part that is inside next to the engine, and I use this tool because the space is kind of tight, so I need this like a arm that goes like this. This is a T27 with this extension and this and a ratchet. Okay, I just put the screw there, so I just need to use the torque wrench to tighten it down. But I couldn't record it because the camera here is on the way of my hand, so sorry, but that's where you have to put the screw. Okay, so let me tighten the screw down, and that's almost done. So the next step is to put the inlet pipe. All right, finally I got it after struggling for a long time. Now the hose, it has to be flush here with the metal and the plastic. You can see it there. So I got it all the way inside. You have to push until it's flush with the pipe. Okay, so now the hardest part is done. So let's put the intake, and that's it. This is done. Okay, so finally, thank God we got it. Okay guys, finally this one is done. Amazing. So remember, don't pull too hard on that hose. The ventilation hose for the intake is very thin, and if you pull too hard, you're gonna break it the same way I did. Okay, so the link for all the tools and parts, they're gonna be in the description on the video. And also we have a charge pipe coming. Okay, so hit the notification bell, subscribe for more videos like this one. If you like the video, please like the video, that helps the channel a lot. And thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Peace.